Hello everyone, today we will be unboxing the Apple Watch Ultra. The watch comes in all new packaging which is much more square than the previous Apple Watch and has a nice mountain range picture on the inside which emphasizes the Ultra's intended use for extreme sports. The Apple Watch Ultra has a titanium casing which is very durable and lightweight. The casing now goes up around the edges of the flat 49mm screen to add even more protection. It also has a new larger side button and digital crown which are easier to use with gloves on. Another new feature added to the exterior is the action button. This is a bright orange button on the opposite side which can be programmed to do what you want it to. I currently have mine set to a torch, but you can set it to one of a few possible options or use a shortcut to get it to do more advanced things. You also now get a much nicer braided charging cable. The Ultra is available with 3 different band types: the Ocean Band, the Alpine Loop, and the Trail Loop, which is what we have here today. Each band is available in various colors and sizes. I ordered the black and gray band in the larger size. You can also use Apple Watch straps that fit the bigger sizes of the older Apple Watches. That means if you already have a strap you love, you can still use it, even with the new larger watch style. The Trail Loop is held on by Velcro, which makes it super easy to put on and take off. It is very comfortable and does a great job of holding the watch in place. The only annoyance with having a fabric strap is that it takes quite a long time to dry if it gets wet. This leads us to the next feature, which is the new dive mode. This watch is rated up to 100 meters underwater and has a built-in dive app which tells you your current depth, water temperature, and dive time up to 40 meters deep. Other new features include things such as crash detection, upgraded speakers, and microphone which are super loud, and the watch has a built-in siren to alert people of your location if you are lost. You also have a new and improved GPS and features backtrack and waypoints, all of which help you to find your way back if you get lost, along with the new compass and wayfinder watch faces. The much larger battery is also great. You get 36 hours on a single charge and up to 60 hours using the new low power mode, which reduces some features and takes measurements less often during workouts. Overall, this is a great watch. The biggest thing people won't like is the price. It is £849, which is the same price as the new iPhone 14. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.